In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pumpfun to trade Solana meme coins 2026. Step by step. To get started, the first thing you need is a Solana compatible wallet. Before using Pump.fun, make sure you have a wallet such as Phantom, Solflare, or Backpack installed and ready to use. Go ahead and download your preferred wallet, create a new wallet, and carefully save your recovery phrase in a secure place. This part is extremely important because that recovery phrase is what gives you access to your funds. If your wallet offers extra security features, such as a password, biometric login, or other protections, enable those as well for added safety. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet with SOL. SOL is the currency used on the Solana network, and you'll need it not only to buy meme coins, but also to cover network transaction fees. Purchase SOL from a cryptocurrency exchange, then withdraw it to your Solana wallet address. It's a good idea to keep a small amount of SOL untouched in your wallet so you always have enough to pay transaction fees when buying or selling. Once your wallet is funded, head over to Pump.fun. On the site, click Connect Wallet, choose your wallet provider, and approve the connection request from inside your wallet. After that, your wallet will be linked to the platform and you'll be ready to browse tokens. Now it's time to find a meme coin. As you look through the available tokens, don't just choose randomly. Take a moment to check important details like trading volume, the number of holders, market capitalization, social media presence, and overall community activity. These indicators can help you understand how active or popular a coin is before making a trade. When you're ready to buy, select the token you want, then enter the amount of SOL you'd like to spend. Review the transaction details carefully so you understand exactly what you're buying and how much you're spending. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is complete, the token should appear in your wallet. After buying, it's important to monitor your position. Keep an eye on price movements, market cap growth, trading volume, holder distribution, and community engagement. Meme coins can move very quickly, so many traders watch them closely and check in often. Finally, when you're ready to sell, open the token page, choose the amount or percentage you want to sell, review the transaction, and confirm the sale in your wallet. After the transaction is processed, the proceeds will be returned to your wallet in SOL.